The all-new GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum by Pride Mobility is full of premium features to enhance your mobility experience. With three-wheel scooter turning ability, magnetic charging, and a convenient tiller mechanism and feather touch disassembly, the Platinum Edition exudes luxury and performance mobility. Offering a 300-pound weight capacity, a top speed of 4.23 miles per hour, and a driving range of 6.6 miles per charge with the standard 12 amp-hour battery pack, and a driving range of up to 10.4 miles per charge with the upgradable 18 amp-hour battery pack. Tight turning, easy charging, and proudly made in America. Pride's patented Easy Turn technology gives you three-wheel scooter turning ability and four-wheel stability to help you navigate tight spaces with ease. When you need to power up, the Charge 360 technology is convenient and simple. It's a magnetic charging system, so there's no need to line up any pins. An advanced tiller mechanism allows you to adjust the angle of your tiller with your hand or foot. And like all GoGo units, the scooter easily separates into 5 lightweight pieces thanks to feather touch disassembly. Also comes standard with black matte and cardinal red color panels. Regain your mobility independence and freedom with the all-new GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum by Pride Mobility. Call AutoMobility store today and receive a free accessory package with the purchase of your GoGo Elite Traveler 2 Platinum.